So we'll continue with our discussion on the next topic is induction cooking. This is a part of your kitchen electronics induction cooking. So we have seen conventional gas-based cooking, electric cooking, and now we have the smart kitchen-based appliances. So this induction cooking is going to be one of the smart kitchen appliance. And induction cooking, as you know, it is we are going to use electromagnetic wave for cooking, and it is completely different from what is the traditional way of cooking using gas flame or electric oil cooking experience. So for this, yes, induction cooking, you need special cookware is needed. So it has to have a flat base and it has to have iron content. So that is the requirement of induction cooking. So because you know iron is going to be a highly magnetic substance, so it will allow the transfer of energy from the pan or pot you are cooking. Okay, so this is the reason why we are going to ensure that the cooking item what you are going to use is going to have a lot of iron content. Okay, so the just to ensure that maximum energy is transferred from the induction cooking machinery to the vessel so that the cooking happens in an effective way. So, and electromagnetic energy plus magnetic bands, which will ensure that fast and efficient induction heating. So, electromagnetic energy is going to be produced by this cookware. And above that, if you are going to use magnetic bands, that is going to transmit the energy faster, and we are going to have an efficient way of cooking. Okay, so the key to induction cooking is electromagnetic energy. Okay, the key to induction cooking is electromagnetic energy, and electromagnetic energy, you know what we are using in mobile phones. So everything is electromagnetic energy, which is invisible to us, but it can propagate through free space. Okay, this energy is around us every day in the form of AM, FM radio, cell phones, wireless laptops, microwave ovens, infrared visible lights. So all these are going to be coming under electromagnetic energy, and we have been living with electromagnetic energy throughout the day. Okay, so it operates on a two-part system. This microwave, this induction top is going to operate on two-part system. First one is beneath the surface of the induction product, you have a copper coil. So beneath on the base of your induction cooktop, you're going to have a copper coil. Okay, this copper coil is used to create electromagnetic energy when current is passed through it. So see here, when current is passed through the coil, you are going to have electromagnetic field of energy. So where that is being uh, propagated vertically upward from the base. I think you can visualize. Okay, and on top of it, if I'm going to place an iron core pan on the top of the cooktop, so this iron core pan is heated because of these electromagnetic wave around the pan. So, and the electromagnetic wave uniformly heats the iron pan entirely so that the food is uniformly heated, but the surface remain cools until both these steps are completed. Okay, so you can really go to YouTube and see the videos how it is going to work. So for the induction heat to occur, the bottom of pan must be made of iron. Yes, as I said, because electromagnetic waves are propagating from the base, the cooking utility should be made of iron. So making it pan magnetic. Make a man magnetic means making it attract the electromagnetic waves. You can perform a simple test to see if the if your pan will work with an induction cooktop or not. So if a magnet sticks to the bottom, you can see whether a vessel what you can use for whether the vessel which you use for conventional cooking, whether you can use for induction cooking or not by a simple trick. What is that? You keep a magnet to the bottom of the pan. So when the magnet is placed on the when the magnetic pan is placed on the cooking surface, the iron particles begin to vibrate 20,000 to 50,000 times per second. So it is also friction between those molecules that create heat. So all the heat is contained in the bottom of the pan. That is why the surface remain cool while the cookware stays hot. So this is the unique property of your induction cooking. Your bottom will be all the heat is transmitted only from the bottom. So the bottom will be very much hot, but the surface you can even after the food is getting cooked, you can even remove the surface with your bare hand because surface will remain cool. The bottom of the cookware is going to remain hot. So that is the logic of induction